Hi, my name's Tom. This is my Franklin soft tip electronic dartboard. It's mounted up with Velcro right now just because I'm going to go ahead and move it in a little bit. But as you can see, it opens up, comes with a lot of cool features. You get 6 different darts. You get 3 red, you get 3 blue as well, and they have little soft tips on them. You get plenty of extra tips. You also will get screws and anchors for go ahead and mounting this on the wall. Again, this is a temporary setup for now. It is electronic. There's a little battery pack right here that takes 3 AAA batteries. You should go ahead and put fresh batteries in there. I use rechargeable. They're working just great. And all you do is you turn it on with the power button, play some music, and then you go ahead and you choose your game. There are something like about 90 different games, probably about 30 different games, and then you have about a whole bunch of different versions and different scoring options. So you get about 90 different games to choose from here. You can see the display, it is LCD. It's not lit up, it's not backlit, so you can just kind of see it there. You can kind of see, you can kind of play with the games. You can see how many players. Up to you can go anywhere between 1 to 4 players on most of the games, and then you just go ahead and hit start, and then you go ahead and tells player one. Player one will go ahead and throw his darts or her darts, and then once you're done, it'll usually if it hits all 3 darts, it'll go ahead. It'll know, okay, that player's done. It'll say next player. You go over, you retrieve your dart, you hit next player, and next player can go ahead and play. Obviously, you can just go ahead and play, but all the scoring is automatic. So when you go ahead and get something in, let me go ahead and do that real quick. Double bullseye. There you go. And it goes ahead and gives you a score, takes money, takes points down, puts points up, depending upon how you're playing. It is pretty good about that. Oh, just kind of got a point there. I didn't actually get any kind of accolades for my hit, but you get the idea. It's really straightforward. They are soft dart. You can hit the walls. They don't really leave marks unless you're really winging it hard. It's great for places where you don't want to go ahead and beat up your wall. It does work well as a dartboard. My son's now getting into darts. It just works really well. It plays well, easy to use. The one problem I have with this is that the little score is a little hard to see, especially for older eyes or for darker rooms. So if you have lighting, if you're in a bright room, you'll be fine. I don't think there's a backlight anywhere on this, so it is a little bit harder to see sometimes. But when you come back up here and pull your darts, you will see your score. It will be easy to follow. There's an instruction booklet as well with a ton of little features, but it's really a great, simple, great starter dartboard, especially for soft darts. Again, you get 6, you could always get more, but it's a good starter dartboard, really neat, lots of fun. I like it.